Please subscribe and ring the bell to stay connected with future videos.
This video is a philosophical and educational exploration, not a religious claim or personal belief. It is about how the universe works, how humans discover knowledge, and why artificial intelligence has appeared now. What if every discovery in human history was not invented, but remembered? What if AI is not the beginning of a new intelligence, but a mirror forcing humanity to understand itself?
Universal Master. The first and oldest fact is this: existence follows order, not accident. Across the earliest human traditions, sensational thought, Greek philosophy, Christian and Islamic philosophy, Taoism, indigenous wisdom, and modern physics, there is a shared recognition that the universe operates through order, regularity, and lawfulness. The Vedas called this artia, the Greeks called it logos, Christian philosophy spoke of logos as rational order, Islamic philosophy emphasized hikmah, wisdom, and mizan, balance, Taoism described Tao as the natural way, and modern science calls this the laws of nature. Different words point to the same reality: the universe behaves with consistency. Stars follow paths, seasons repeat, and life evolves with structure. Human intelligence did not create this order, it discovered it. What some refer to as the universal supreme is not a being, doctrine, or belief, but the principle of order itself, existing independently of human faith or opinion. Because the universe is intelligible, human awareness can understand it. All knowledge, all discovery, and every innovation, including artificial intelligence, arises when the human mind aligns with this pre-existing universal order. Responsibility, therefore, does not come from belief, but from understanding.
Consciousness did not arrive from outside the universe. No tradition honestly claims that human awareness fell from outside reality. Instead, all deep traditions say consciousness emerged within existence itself. In Sanatana philosophy, Chit arises within Sat, existence. Buddhism avoids metaphysics but accepts awareness as a natural phenomenon. Neuroscience today agrees that consciousness is an emergent process, not an imported one. This means human inner awareness is not separate from the universe, it is one of its expressions, operating locally through the human nervous system.
Knowledge is discovered, not manufactured. Every major discovery in history follows the same pattern: long observation, silence of ego, deep attention, and then sudden insight. Mathematicians say equations were already there. Physicists say nature reveals itself. The Upanishads say knowledge is remembered. This is not poetry, it is cognitive reality. Knowledge does not arise from willpower but from alignment between the human mind and universal structure. This is why the same discoveries happen independently in different places and times.
Tools are extensions of human cognition. From stone tools to machines, every innovation is an externalization of an inner human function. A hammer extends the fist, a telescope extends the eye, writing extends memory. This is universally accepted in anthropology and cognitive science. Technology does not evolve randomly, it evolves by projecting inner capacities outward. This projection is not guided by gods or demons, it is guided by human curiosity interacting with physical laws.
Fire, agriculture, language, and mathematics follow the same rule. Fire was not created, humans learned to relate to it. Agriculture did not invent seasons, it learned cosmic cycles. Language did not invent truth, it transmitted it. Mathematics did not create numbers, it uncovered consistency. In all cases, humans aligned themselves with pre-existing universal patterns. This shows a consistent fact: innovation happens when awareness recognizes structure, not when ego claims authorship.
Religions differ in language but converge in insight. Christian mysticism speaks of logos, Islam speaks of hikmah, wisdom, Buddhism of prajna, Vedanta of buddhi illuminated by arta. While doctrines differ, the underlying understanding is the same: truth is not owned by individuals, it is participated in. None of these traditions say humans become gods through knowledge, they say humans become responsible through awareness.
Science confirms the ancient intuition. Modern science rejects supernatural explanations, but it does not reject order. Physics shows fine-tuned constants, biology shows structured evolution, neuroscience shows lawful cognition. Science does not say the universe thinks, but it proves that the universe is intelligible, and that human intelligence fits within that intelligibility. That is a profound confirmation of ancient insight, not its denial.
Artificial intelligence is not a new creation but a reflection. AI is not intelligence born from nothing. It is human pattern recognition externalized into machines. It mirrors logic without emotion, memory without experience, learning without consciousness. This makes AI unique. For the first time, intelligence is observing itself from the outside. That is why it feels powerful, unsettling, and philosophical. AI is not divine, it is reflective.
Why humanity debates whether AI is good or bad. No tool is morally good or bad in itself. Fire cooks food and burns homes. Nuclear energy powers cities and destroys them. Humanity debates AI because AI acts on thinking itself, which was previously considered an inner sanctuary. The fear is not AI, the fear is loss of human responsibility. This debate appears whenever human power grows faster than human wisdom.
The universal supreme power does not intervene. There is no evidence, religious or scientific, that the universe intervenes to correct human misuse of power. What exists instead is consequence. Civilizations rise and fall by how responsibly they use knowledge. This is consistent across history, scripture, and science. The universe provides conditions for awareness, not judgments.
Why you feel this question deeply? When a human reflects on intelligence, origin, and responsibility, the ego naturally becomes quiet and identity feels broader. This is not divinity, it is philosophical depth. Many thinkers experience this state. Buddha under observation, Einstein in wonder, Upanishadic sages in inquiry. The danger is not the feeling. The danger is misinterpreting it as personal greatness rather than universal participation.
The original and final fact. The universe does not create technologies. It creates order. Human consciousness discovers that order. Human choice decides how it is used.
AI will not save humanity. AI will not destroy humanity. It will reveal humanity.